Failing to plan is planning to fail. Like every other sphere of life, this famous quote is just as applicable to the preparation journey of an aspirant aiming to crack the UPSC CSE exam. Playing our part in ensuring your success, Drishti IAS is here with a completely civil services preparation-oriented website with dedicated tabs to help you plan and chart your path to success. In this video, we will highlight how to use this website for UPSC CSE preparation in the best effective manner. This website has been designed in such a way so as to cater to your preparation for the UPSC CSE in a completely streamlined manner. Starting with the Prelims tab, the first step in any aspirant's journey is familiarization with the syllabus of the exam. This should be followed by strategizing your approach for preparation of GS as well as CSAT. This would include finalizing your book list, clarity on time management, self-study schedule, and final do's and don'ts on the eve of the website. You can identify trends as well as your weaknesses and strengths by analyzing the past year's question papers. In our endeavor to assist in your preparation for prelims, we have on our website a pool of MCQs based on NCERT's Yojana, Kurukshetra, Down to Earth, Science Reporter, as well as questions for CSAT practice. You may also join our test series for prelims to not only discipline your preparation for timely completion and revision of the syllabus, but also to compare your performance with your peer group across India. Your prelims preparation should go hand in hand with your preparation for mains. The 2013 UPSC CSE notification very clearly demarcated the GS main syllabus for the convenience of the aspirants. To make it even easier for you, we have further broken down the syllabus into micro topics and keywords. Reading and internalizing the syllabus should be followed by devising a comprehensive strategy for mains. That should include understanding the approach towards all 4 papers, choosing your optional, answer writing, essay writing, as well as time and stress management. An important part of devising your strategy would include going through previous year papers, provided here both year-wise and subject-wise for your convenience. Answer writing practice should form the bedrock of your mains preparation. Sharpen your answer writing skills on our forum, where you will be provided a balanced set of questions from current as well as previous year UPSC papers. You may also join our mains test series for timely completion of your syllabus well before the actual exam, as well as to acclimatize yourself with conditions similar to those in the exam hall. Keeping in mind all of these observations, to match your requirements with those of the examination, DrishtiIAS.com has devised a plan to organize your day, your week, and your month to best utilize this website as a resource to achieve success in this exam. Current affairs, editorial analysis, MCQs, and mains answer writing practice will be covered daily on the website. Make sure to incorporate these 4 in your everyday routine. Apart from these, To the Points and Mind Maps provide a single point reference of key topics and issues in a comprehensive, structured, and focused manner. These will be covered on alternate days on the website. Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha discussions will ensure that you don't miss out on any issue of national and international importance. They will also be covered on alternate days. Learning through maps will cover important places every week, places from India and the world alternatively. Regularly using this section of our website will help you attempt the map-based questions easily. Weekly summary of important reports will cover exam-relevant points from reports draft policies, and discussion papers of government ministries and important think tanks. Ethics case studies and discussion and essay competition will be listed every fortnight so that you can parallelly prepare for GS4 and practice essay writing. To effectively utilize all the content discussed up till now, we have incorporated 3 distinct features on our website. These are My Notes, My Bookmarks, My Progress. The My Notes feature allows you to jot down valuable notes by the side of an article on the website itself. One does not have to go to a different app or notebook for that. This saves a lot of precious time for aspirants. Similarly, in case of a hurry, simply bookmark articles to read later, or send every article read and subsequently worked upon to the Progress tab. That way, all of one's reading materials are streamlined at one place. We also have a separate forum to facilitate UPSC exam-related doubts and discussions. The forum provides a common platform to help you benefit from interacting with others sailing the same boat as you and ensure that you are not preparing in an isolated environment. The blog will help you open the doors to imagination, which is connected to learning. Here you may share your dreams and dream with others, share your inspiration as well as get inspired. The videos section of our website will link you to our YouTube channel Drishti IAS, which will feature various videos spanning study plans for all segments of the syllabus by top faculty, interaction with toppers, ethics case study discussions, weekly current affairs, graphic-based coverage of important topics like important institutions, places in news, etc. To receive notifications on new updates, please subscribe to our channel. Study material like NCERT books, NIOS and IGNOU booklets, copies of Yojna and Kurukshetra, previous year papers of prelims as well as mains, and also fortnightly current affairs consolidation will be accessible under the free downloads tab on our website. For more UPSC related products including monthly Drishti Current Affairs magazine, UPSC and State PCS distance learning program notes and various books specially curated and compiled to assist you in your preparation, visit our e-store. You may also subscribe to our prelims and mains test series for GS and different optionals here. We hope that this website will act as an enabler in achieving your dream of becoming a civil servant. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish.